is Woven, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a very, very, very simple airplane, okay? So, you need to get a paper like this and fold it in half, like so. And then, when you're done, it should look like this. And then, fold it back up, and then get this point here onto here, like this. And then put the other one here and do the same thing as that. And once you're done, fold it in half like this. And then once you're done, it should look like this. And then put this point here, here, and put it up here. I like the folding in half part. And then the half to other side again. Once you're done, it should look like this. And then once you make shape like that, and this, and hold these 2 points over here, and then put it like that, and then turn it around, and then here you go. A really, really simple airplane. You can write on it whatever you like. So, yeah!